Let's go with the trades on the day. Nice day in the 50K portfolio, up nearly 1100, right about I think 1080 or 1090. We'll just say plus 1080 to be conservative. Flat as we go into the close. Brand new equity peaks in this portfolio. I'll show you some of the highlight trades here in a minute. And so equity peaks here, 200K. We have a position here at the end of the day. You see some earnings news causing some selling. This is a day session, so there's even more selling after hours. And so we have one long position, but right around minus 300 on the day and the 200K. So good trading day, 50K, down about 300 in the 200K, kind of a choppy day in the middle of the day, kind of threw some of the signals off. Also crude oil. I want to go over the highlights of the day though. Personally, I think this market is extremely overbought. It was supposed to sell off some more, and they got a hold of it and ran it up to new highs. And so I think we're due for some selling, but we'll see if that takes place. Let's look at the highlight of the day, the SR counter trend. These are the highlights on the 50K portfolio. Plus 775 on SR counter trend 2, buying the dip, and then Cobra CT3. Buying that dip, really nice dip to buy, picture perfect almost, and getting out at the right time because the market is selling off in the after hours. Day trade strategies, tick count trend was the dog of the day, minus 462.50, minus 587.50 on the 5-minute, and then gap fill master plus 175, 60-minute breakout plus 362.50, adaptive moving average plus 1,000. So here's what I'm talking about. On the ES, I thought we never really got any steep sell-offs, any sort of capitulation to the downside. I thought we were due for more selling. They got a hold of this thing and ran it up to new highs. And so I think we're due for some more selling now. We'll see though. It's hard to imagine wanting to buy it at these levels. Asia 4 long plus 787.50. I'm talking about from an investment, long-term investment perspective. Buying at these levels. ES after hours 3.0 minus 637.50, and ES2 tick fader plus 375, VSD long only plus 37.50, tick wave minus 600. It's interesting. What was interesting to watch, I want to go over here back here, the market internals, was if I was watching the NASDAQ rallied, and then the advanced decline line down here just cratered, and nothing happened in the NASDAQ at first. So it started to crater right there. It cratered and cratered. The NASDAQ sold off a little bit. It stayed down. The NASDAQ just rallied anyway. The NASDAQ is only 100 stocks, and the advanced decline line represents about 3,700. So it can do its own thing for sure. But it just rallied, trying to get those all-time highs in the NASDAQ. All-time highs are around 15,700, 220 points away. After hours is at 15,384. Some earnings news causing the market to sell off. So VIX just down here at massive complacency levels in spite of any sort of taper or inflation. The market just is very complacent about anything. And so gap continuation 2020 minus 325. In Q2, 60-minute breakout A plus 950, 60-minute breakout B minus 835 has an open position. PR breakout in Q minus 325, VSD long only minus 955, tick wave in Q minus 825, minus 2455, VSD long short. EVP1 picture perfect exit, capturing the rally into the close, getting out while the market just tanks. Current prices are 15,384. This is the day session .D. Gap continuation 2019 big stop loss minus 725. You can see this is on the 24-hour chart. Yeah, just got stopped out at that point. Needed about a $750, $800 stop today. Viper 2008 minus 1250. Crude oil got burnt on this short trade. Keep getting these sell-offs. It's kind of a lie. It almost seems like the commodities go up at night and stocks go down, and then when the day session starts, the commodities get slammed and stocks get propped up. And so which one is the truth? Are we getting the truth at night and the lie during the day? Get slamming the commodities, trying to suppress inflation, or not believe in inflation. I don't know. Hard to know all the commercial interests and reasons for commodities. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Gold, no trades in gold. We have our new gold reversal system I'm going to show you in a minute. Silver, we had in the 50K portfolio, we had SR counter trend 2V2 1M minus 825, and then we had SR counter trend 2 plus 475. So down overall in silver on our trades in the 200K with minus 825 and plus 475. But overall, if you can include all the silver strategies, it was up because you have minus 825 and you have plus 475 on the other 4 strategies. So copper, we have some new strategies in copper. We have copper breakout. This is the current strategy in the 200K portfolio. No trades today. Copper breakout 2022 right here. No trades today. And then you have copper breakout home run taking an entry right here. You can get in a little early. Taking this entry that looks kind of nice. You got this massive move up, Fibonacci type pullback, and so could be a good trade. And then you have copper short. These three are just released today. If you have the All Strategy Access, we'll be sending those out. It might take a little bit to get to everyone. And so these 3, not this one. This one we currently have, but these 3 right here are brand new. We sent them out. And let's go over Euro currency, minus 318.75. Soybeans, no trades in soybeans. We had some nice trades this week so far. These two trades, soybeans day trader 3. No trades today. Here's the new strategy, soybeans day trader 3. Also finishing. I still have to finish sending that out to all strategy access subscribers. Here are the optional. You see the adaptive moving average. How it's just had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, just easy, straight up. Fed printing type market action. Old 60-minute breakout short has not signaled a short lately. May do so here as we go into Friday. I thought the market would roll over today, and it rallied. So let's look at the new gold reversal strategy. Here is gold reversal up on the day 200. I just sent an email out about this, and I'm sending this update out as well. And I'm a little behind on sending all the updates out. If you have, these are strategies we're researching. They're not part of portfolios yet. If you have the All Strategy Access, you'll be getting those. Cobra Crude. Look at this strategy. That's we didn't lock in those profits. We just kind of leave that open. But let's look at Crude Swing. Crude Swing hits profit target. Let's see. On Sunday night. Got back in on a pullback. Very divergent price action. You can see that really on the 24-hour chart. And crude, very divergent. Surprising that it seems like when markets move to multi-year highs, there's a little bit of a surge higher, and it's not happening right now in crude. It's like something is suppressing prices in crude oil. No one wants inflation, but we want the truth at the same time as traders. Crude swing, testing these other markets as well. So these are some test strategies. I'm slowly updating the All Strategy Access subscribers, slowly adding them to the portfolio calculator. They may be part of the portfolios going forward. So those are the trading system signals on the day for October the 21st, 2021. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week.